Hey YouTube, back at it again. This is Nicole with another makeup look. Hey YouTube, back with another video. This is Nicole Lynn here, another makeup look over here. So today, I'm gonna do another cut crease look. Today's my parents' anniversary. They've been married for 27 years. They've been together for 35 years. Long time. And as you can see, I already did my eyebrows and foundation and contour. So I'm gonna do blush right now, actually. I'm going to start off with this Innisfree blush. This is the first one and it scratched off, so. I like it. This is the Stylenanda 3CE Muse Palette. Beautiful, isn't it? I'm just gonna take the lightest color and just so it doesn't crease up. So notice this color right here is a brown with pink in it. So we're just gonna pack this all over the eyelid. Now this is the part I wanna cry at. Okay. Now my favorite part of blending all of this brown out. I think I'm gonna blend it out with this nice beige pink color that I used in my other video. And then with this brush again, we're gonna go in with that same light color and go underneath to blend it. And when it gets a little uneven like this, you can just always go in with a beauty blender and blend it in like this way. Even if you have some fallout, you can get rid of it. Alright, so this color looks like it's done, but I still want to add some more depth. 3CE Dry Bouquet Palette. And we're gonna go in with this color to add some more darkness with a smudge brush. And then we can just blend that in again with the blending brush. Yeah, I would say I'm done with this now. So I'm gonna cut the crease with Shape Tape Concealer in light. And we're just gonna, oh, ow, I hurt my cat attacked my leg today for whatever reason. I just hurt it. Yeah, this is the quickest cut crease I ever drew. The key of drawing a good cut crease is having a lot of product on the brush and doing it quick, is what I've been learning. And use your wrist, like this, see that? And besides like this, use your wrist. The lightest color in the palette right here, and just place it in the front part. Second lightest, like pink in the palette. We're gonna put it in the middle of the eye. Could always add leftovers at the bottom. I'm gonna go in with this smaller, this is an e.l.f. liner brush, I'm pretty sure. But I only use this to fill in little details. Like that. I'm gonna add this color. I really love how this color looks here, but when it's on the eye, sometimes it looks very pink. Let's take a look. It's really nice, I really like this. So I'm gonna add some darkness, like here. I always like to add a little pop of shimmer at least somewhere when it comes to matte looks. So I think I'm gonna go in with Pink Champagne by Anastasia Beverly Hills right here. I might actually use this Pink Champagne color is a highlighter. Let's just test it out. I'm just gonna do it right now. Nice. I'm gonna like dip in my blush again. It's pink brown eyeliner, Club Clio, Kill Brown. So now we're gonna go in with e.l.f. Illuminating Setting Spray. So this is like more of a dewy finish, which I like better than a matte finish. 2 sprays I usually do. No mascara. I do the mascara after I spray because every time I spray, the mascara is on my eye. Not fun. It comes down onto my makeup. Now we're gonna do mascara, but I'm just gonna do mascara off camera. I use Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. Alrighty, so we got our mascara and eyeliner on. Look how pretty. Now it's time to choose lips. I think I know the perfect lips to put on this. So I'm gonna do MAC lip liner right here in the color Cork. Overline it too much. Super line lips. We're gonna lip balm. This lipstick I'm using is matte. A matte liquid lipstick. Stylenanda 3CE Lip Lacquer Shawty. This concludes my makeup look. Super pretty. Definitely an evening look. Yeah, I'm excited to go to dinner. The food seems really good. My makeup looks nice. My hair looks nice. Thank you for watching my video. Please like my video. Please leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be coming out with more makeup and more content and more videos and more vlogs and whatever else I do. How many times you gotta tell a dog to stay? My dog is so bad. Anyway, this concludes the look. I'm gonna go enjoy some food with my family. Hope you guys like it.